Why do you like joint family? Speak fluently.
Joint family is better. Joint family, grandfather, grandmother, and loves.
Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. And wonderful. That joint family is very better because they are their grandmother and father who share his loves and help each other. And after that, Khushbu Kumari, what is your opinion? Why do you like joint family? Why do you like joint family?
If mother is going to market because I am going to grandfather and grandmother, uncle, auntie. Thank you.
She wants to say that if my mother goes to market and father already busy in the business, then where I can go? Then I can go to the grandparents and grandmothers to in my empty time. Okay. Let's continue and hand over the Monica and speak what is your opinion. Why do you like joint family? Speak, no problem.
I like joint family because in family, very members of people.
They help each other.
Yes,
They love each other. Speak anything.
because many people depend each other to any type of help. Thank you.
Any type of help. Thank you. Very good. And anybody else who wants to speak about joint family? No. Very good. Give me. Speak about your you already speak personal life. You speak why do you like joint family?
Joint family, my life is important.
My life.
Joint family is my life. Many
Speak.
joint family. It is my life is parts and many people's living. My grandmother's is night good story. Tell stories and my grandfather is very lovely and my father is going hardworking and my mother is a housewife. Thanks.
Thank you. Very good. She want to say that joint family is better because grandfather, grandmother tell her a story at night. Okay. And how many students support the nuclear family? Who want to speak about nuclear family is better. Okay. Very good. Let's know the opinion of Mukesh Kumar.
Okay, thank you, sir. I am a supporter of nuclear family. First of all, you know, nuclear family, it's meaning of there are some member in nuclear family. But joint family there are many member. But I am a support. I am always time of nuclear family. But I am live in joint family. There are 9 member in my family. But I am not happy. I am not a good feeling of in my family live right now. I am always time of nuclear family because if you live in nuclear family, then that time you will freedom. You will live a life peaceful life. You know, if you will go to another side, out of side, you will go to visit park, any palace. You will freedom. You can go easily way. But if you will go to, if you are if you have in joint family, you first of all, if you want to go to outside, you can first of all you will give the permission. Then you will go to other city, other palace, other any market. Okay. So that's why I'm always time of nuclear family, and no, you know. Nuclear family has well discipline maintained, but joint family has
Arise question.
yeah, sorry.
No.
Okay, and joint family has always time quarrel in each other. Yeah, you know, like joint family had two yeah, one member earn money and all member are like in the seat on it. Okay, so that's why there are one person has pressure, but there are no person. There is no any person has pressure only for one person. But like nuclear family has always time like live life only for two wife and husband and two kids. I mean that childrens. So that's why always time nuclear family is good, and I always time love in nuclear family. So that's right.
Very good answer. We know that nuclear family has few members, so we have freedom, according to Mukesh Kumar. And I shall ask a question after that. After let's the opinion of next students who wants to speak about nuclear family. Speak why you like nuclear family.
My father name is Parmeshwar Sahu and my mother name is Ratanmala Devi. My father is very good. My mother is very beautiful. My father is a sell vegetable. My mother is home worker. My elder sister name is Sugam Kumari. Sugam Kumari and a very beautiful and work is help. My brother name is Om Prakash Kumar Sahu and Bajrangi Kumar Sahu. My brother is very intelligent. My brother is for class 4. Thanks.
Very good. It is about your family. Don't you support your nuclear family, okay? Why do you like nuclear family? Speak about that. I like nuclear family because there are many reasons it can be. Speak. Sorry, okay. Hand over the mic. Speak. Why do you like nuclear family?
Because I like in nuclear family. Joint family is not good educated. Joint family is not good educated. Nuclear
Education has not good
education. I like nuclear family. Nuclear family is the best family. Nuclear family is not any promotion. Nuclear family is parents and their children. Nuclear family is good and best family. Thank you.
Very good. Nuclear family has best and good family. Okay. Speak about you speak about nuclear family. Yeah, speak.
I like nuclear family. A nuclear family is composed of parents and their children. A nuclear family will be enjoy. A nuclear family, fathers and mothers. A nuclear family important. Very good. Thank you.
Very good. Next, anyone wants to speak about nuclear family? Hand over the time. Yeah. Speak.
I like nuclear family because they envies few member and they have freedom.
Yeah.
So we say that nuclear family is better.
Better. Very good. Anybody else want to speak about nuclear family? Speak. Speak.
I like nuclear family. There is no problem in nuclear family. We are no vax any man in nuclear family.
Yeah.
There is few members in nuclear family. Thanks.
Very good, very good. There is no quarreling in each other in the nuclear family because there are very few members live in the nuclear family. But my question is that first of all to all the nuclear family, if do you want to help, if you want to help, just like let's have an example, if you have gut illness in your houses, in your family, and you have not live in a joint family, and your father and mother both are going to both are busy in her job, just like your mother goes to the market and your father goes to do the job. So how do you what do you say that about that? If you want to go where? If you want to go to the hospital, how can you go? Let's have opinion.
Yes, actually, you know, sir, already like our generation is depend on digital India. You know,
Yeah.
like yeah. So at that time, if I have any problem, if I have any ill, I am suffering from any ill. At that time, I will call to father and dad. After that, automatically dad comes quickly near my and that's like a pick up the arrive in hospital at that time. This is a
But when your father do the important works in his office,
okay.
and that is very important. If your father didn't
Okay.
work done, then your father will be jobless in
Yes.
future. What can you do?
At that time I will do like I will support of like neighbor and you can
Yeah,
say
yeah. You will take support neighbor.
neighbor and friends
Yeah.
at that time I will support. After that, this is last like of condition, okay. But
Yeah.
first of all I will call to father,
Father
then
and mother.
yeah, mother, parents, and if you have no support, if they have work, at that time I will support of neighbor, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you live with joint family, then why do you get support of the neighbor? Because grandfather and grandmothers is better than your neighbor. Because this is the same blood. Your father have, your grandfather have. If you have grandfather and mother, you live in joint family, then you will not get any suffering, and you want to help from your grandfather and mother. Okay, very good, thank you. Your answer will be correct, no problem. And my question to joint family, anybody have joint family supported, then answer me. Just like in the field of education, if you live in joint family, just like Mukesh ji said that you live in a nuclear family, then you live freedom. You have permission to speak about anything, and you have permission already. If you have live in a joint family, then you have to get the permission from your grandparents and grandmothers. So in that condition, what is better, joint family and nuclear family? Anybody has answer? Speak.
I like nuclear family. Nuclear family is best family. Joint family is always quarreling. Joint family is not good education. So we can say that nuclear family is best.
Yeah, it is said that nuclear family is good, no problem. But my question to that joint family, it is already said that nuclear family is good, no problem. But in a joint family, if you want to get success, get education, but in your joint family only you can say that your father earn money, and all the members of your family take food only, not give money your family, then how can you say that joint family is better? Anybody has answer? No, very good. This is the fundamental. If your relationship between your family, you live in a joint family, is good, the relationship between your family is good, then it is not said that, it is not, you can say that grandfather is not earn money. Grandfather also earn money and support the family. Your mother and your brother also support your family. Okay, so it is the fundamental. If your relationship between your family is good, then you are survive in your joint family also. If your relationship is not good, just like in every time face the quarreling and any other problems, just like your sisters and brothers quarreling to each other, it is not relationship good. Quarreling is happen in all single family also. In single family also quarreling is happen. Okay, so then my next question is that in my last questions we can say that, just like my question to Mukesh Kumar, you like single family. Okay, in the field of education, your grandfather and grandmother also help you. But in your single family, you didn't get help. How can you say that about that topic?
Yes, sir. Actually, in my point of view, like a nuclear family always time save the money, but not a like joint family always time save the money. So that's why nuclear family has like lots of money, but a joint family has not a lots of money. So if I have problem any that time, my nuclear family has a bank balance 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees and get out take out, and after that I will support. Okay, because you know very well nuclear family has sought invest. Because there are three or 2 members in nuclear family, so that's why there is some investment, but joint family has there are lots of investment, so that's why like joint family has no any money. Okay, always time like joint family has कर्ज, right?
Yeah, liability.
Liability. Okay, I don't know like कर्ज, so that's yeah.
But you said that nuclear family has money. And joint family has not money. You can say that your goods is of your grandfather, not your father. Grandfather have also money which is earned by in past. Okay, so how can you say that joint family has not money? Many of students are educated by his grandfather, and his grandson also educated by his by the support of money by his grandfather. So if we live in a joint family, you can get support from your grandfather also in the field of money, in the field of living style. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, sir, there are many. I know, you know already. There are many disadvantages and advantages. Both are. In nuclear family has also disadvantage, and like joint family has also disadvantage. So some point is like disadvantage in nuclear family. Like you know already. Like if you have problem any, like if you are suffering from any suffering from any ill, at that time how will support? Yeah. At that time I have no option. If I will have at that time no my parents support me, at that time I will support of with like neighbor. Okay. But this is like a disadvantage. Okay. And advantage is in like nuclear family. As first of all, if you live in nuclear family, then you will live freedom life. This is like main point. Okay. And I am saying to you like Hindi sentence one like कहते हैं बच्चे दो ही अच्छे. So it is like important part of like nuclear family, sir. Okay.
Nowadays, you can say that the population of people day by day increasing. In that case, if you have many pots, it means बर्तन, you can say that in English. In Hindi called एक जगह बर्तन होती है तो ढनढनाता जरूर है. Okay, so you have many pots, then it will be fall automatically. So we can say that nuclear family in that case is very good family. But in a festival, if you wanna go to picnic, and you wanna go to picnic and you want to celebrate the festival, so in that condition, which family is better?
Yeah, at that condition, like a joint family is better, because because at that time you know like enjoying with family, like sister, mom, dad, and grandfather, all are present there. So at that time you are enjoying with each other. So that time you are feeling of good. But if you have like alone, you are and wife, at that time not you can like happiness feeling. At that duration condition of joint family is better than like nuclear family.
But I want to say that nuclear family is better also in a celebrating festival, because if your grandfather is poor and your father is also poor, your father didn't earn money a lot of, and you want to buy some things in your festival, on your festival, then in that condition, which family support you? If you have live in single family, then you are only one, and you live in the joint family, you have already cousins, brother also, and the grandfather didn't want to buy anything, because he want to survive all of you, and only you have only you get money from your father to buy anything, then your father automatically undesired from you. So your grandfather didn't buy you, yeah, you can say that your father didn't buy anything for you. So in that condition, nuclear family is also, you can say that good
Yes, sir.
or not?
Yes, at that condition, nuclear family is also good because if you are like a joint family, parents purchase one theme, not a one theme, because parents look all equal.
Yeah.
If you purchase the one theme at that time, not a purchase one thing. I mean that all family has purchase need. Okay, after that, that family will happiness.
Yeah.
But if you like in nuclear family purchase one theme, that time always happiness
Yeah,
feeling,
yeah.
because that family is a short family. In that condition.
Achha, in other condition, if you want to go shopping in a market, you want to shopping in a mall, so which family do you like with shopping? Nuclear family is better in a shopping, a joint family is better in a shopping.
At that time, sir, also like you can say a joint family is better in
Why?
shopping time.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know, sir. Why?
I know that in that time we can say that single family is better. Nuclear family is better. Why? Because we go to market to buy some things just like clothes and many of other things. If you are single and with your parents, with your mother, then your parents want to buy something for you.
Yes,
But we go to the with joint family in a shopping, then your parents also confused. If your father didn't buy for your cousin, then your cousin feelings no better. Then in that condition, nuclear family is good, better. Okay, so sit down. And anybody has any opinion that nuclear family has questions? Ask me and ask me anything. Nuclear family and joint family has questions. No questions? Very good. At the last of the conclusion, we can say that both the family is good. All the family has advantage and disadvantage also, both live together. If we wanna live with grandfather, grandmother, and we wanna get love from each other, if you are supported your family, if your father and grandfather both earning money, then joint family is better. The life of joint family is very best, we can say that. If we want to live in a single family, if you don't want to quarreling to each other, then you live single family. If you want a freedom, if you want to get permission automatically from your parents only, then you will be choose to live in a nuclear family. So we can say that both family is better. In the field of education, in the field of shopping, we can say that nuclear family is better. But in the field of unity, unity it means ekta in Hindi call. In the field of unity, in the field of loveness, in the field of sharing and caring, then you have to choose joint family. So all the students stand up on your seat, and we can say that stop. I want to going to stopping the GD, and all the students clap for himself. Clap, it means ताली बजाओ खुद के लिए. Very good. Sit down, all of you. Sit down. So today we are discussing about